Come with me.
Number 1 up top is basic. Ooh, number 2 is not basic. See, it's got that nice divot in the middle. Serrate.
Of pure imagination.
And this, number 3's got that same serrate. Number 4's got that same serrate.
Just in your imagination.
Number 5's got that same serrate.
Don't be shy.
And number 6 is back to basic.
If you feel a little
And nothing different up top. I'll zoom down and give you all a good look. Make sure you guys hit the like button if you enjoyed this rake cut. Make sure you subscribe. Turn that notification bell all the time because you don't want to miss a second of this awesome ass picking.